everyone, welcome back to Wasted Paycheck Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a spray on bed liner. This is a kit that you can get on Amazon for $149.99, and I believe I got this for like $2 on Amazon back when I ordered this. I just took the tonneau cover off the truck. Next time I'm going to sweep all the dirt out of there and get it cleaned up, and then I'm going to take some Scotch-Brite and scuff it up a little bit. This is a epoxy primer in there.
Is this date night?
Alright, now that we got it all scuffed up and I took it outside and swept it out and it's still completely dirty and nasty and not really scuffed at all, we're going to take some of this 1705, wipe it down with a microfiber just to get most of it out of here. Any dirt's just going to be added texture. And then after that we can spray it in there. Alright, we got the truck all cleaned up and masked off so I don't get bed liner all over everything, just part of the cab. Next, all that's left to do is put some booties on and spray it in there. Alright, so what you want to do is take your Raptor liner in your bottle and shake it up. And then you take your hardener, preferably 3 or 4 years old and probably not good anymore. And then you fill it up about to that line. And you want to do this for about 30 seconds while making direct eye contact with the camera. Alright, so now that it's been about 37 minutes, give it a good whiff, just to give it the energy to get through this. And the nice thing about this kit is it comes with a gun that the bottle screws right to. And you want to make sure you cross-thread it so it falls off and spills all over the floor. They said 40 to 60 pounds, so I'm going to set it to 140. I'm kidding, don't do that. Set it to about 60 pounds. And they recommend testing it on like a piece of cardboard or plywood, something that you don't care about. So I'm going to do is go right up there in the front where everybody's going to see it right away. And I'm going to spray it on there to see how it looks.
Oh my god.
Time to booty up. Alright everyone, I've gone through 2 bottles so far. Here's a little update. I'm a little concerned that I might not have enough. I've only got 3 because I used one for another project a while back. But here's what it looks like. I am laying it on kind of thick just because this is the look that I want. So we're gonna mix up a 3rd bottle and hope that it's enough. If I were you, I would definitely save all 4 for this project.
And if anyone knows how to get it off your skin, drop it in the comments.
Alright, so there you have it. $149 spray on bed liner. So you can actually control the texture based on how far away you hold the gun. And I went for kind of somewhere in the middle. I don't really like bed liners that are, you know, laid on really thick and kind of smooth. I like a little bit of texture, keep stuff from sliding around. But there you have it. Hopefully that hardener is actually good and that this actually hardens and doesn't turn into a giant disaster. All right, everyone, it's the next morning. I thought I'd come out here and give you guys a little update before the video ends. I sure did miss coming out here to the smell of paint in the morning to check on my work. Actually, I'm really happy with the way it came out, and it appears to harden for the most part. Probably needs a week or two, though, to actually fully set. But this is kind of the texture we're working with here. I did back it in last night, so it wouldn't be sitting outside. You can kind of see what I was talking about here with the difference in textures. How it's really kind of rough and gritty back here. But I got a little close on that fender well, and it came out kind of smooth and more of like a wrinkled texture. That's what I was talking about, how you can control the texture with the distance. The closer you are, the thicker it lays it on, and it kind of lays out more. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Hope it sets up and hardens good. And for what I do with this truck, it's gonna be just fine. Honestly, I'm probably gonna put the tonneau cover back on and no one will ever know I even did it. But until next time, thanks for watching. This has been Wasted Paycheck Garage.